standing on the rock. And just imagine.
Yeah, be careful. Luis,
There's a,
what do you think is that?
I don't know, it's a mountain range.
I don't know. Maybe it's called Cordillera.
Is that one below us? Might be the outermost part of the city.
Hmm.
And over here, might be
Is that considered suburb?
It is a suburban. So, that's outer. Yeah, it's a suburb.
So what do you think of Baguio now? Okay? Is it okay for you, the weather here, right?
It's okay the weather. That's what I only No, I also enjoy more things.
Yeah, we're gonna do horseback riding later.
Yeah, there are more horse.
Yeah, there's so many horse in Baguio.
So many horses.
Mga horse.
Yeah, horse. So many horse.
Sayang wala si Vice Ganda.
Why?
No, I'm just kidding.
Sit for the video, bye. I don't have anything to say.
You can't say so many things. What else are you looking forward to? Like, what do you want to do?
Getting a souvenir, going to horseback riding, and eating food.
Eating food, yeah, we have to eat food later. That's what we are also gonna do.
And everything.
Yeah, kasi he likes eating so much, so I'll take him there so he'll enjoy his life. Because, you know, Luis is always working so hard to get more money in the future. So
I'll
that's
be the
why.
world's first trillionaire.
Okay. That's why he has to really enjoy traveling as well. Okay. Okay.